Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the subject pharmaceutics 2. What is mean by pharmaceutics 2? In the pharmaceutics 2, इसके अंदर हम जो स्टडी करते हैं what is dispensing pharmacy, under the dispensing pharmacy what are the medication we are prepared and dispensed, what are those. In dispensing pharmacy, firstly we have prescription, second incompatibility in the prescription and pathology. Now what is prescription, what incompatibilities are generated during the prescription, and thirdly pathology means what are the dosages of the medication which are prescribed by a registered medical practitioner. So, what is prescription? And in case of the second part, we having a dispensed medication. In that, we study about the powders. Next point, in dispensed medication, there are mainly three type of dosage form. Those are called monophasic, biphasic, semi-solid or sterile dosage form. In monophasic liquid and biphasic liquid and semi-solid dosage form and the sterile dosage form, there are number of further chapters or topic which we are studied in the pharmaceutics 2. So, in case of monophasic liquid, we studied what are mixture and what are concentrates, elixir and syrup, mouthwash, gargle, throat paint, ear drop, nasal drop, doubt and spray, and liniment and lotion. All these medications are in the form of a liquid which we will discuss later. Second group we having that is called biophasic liquid dosage form. Biophasic means there are the two parts in the formulation. Those are suspension and emulsions, what we are studied under this biophasic liquid dosage form. Third we having a semi-solid dosage form. Semi-solid dosage form means ना वो सॉलिड है और ना वो लिक्विड है. इस टॉपिक के अंदर हम स्टडी करेंगे ऑइंटमेंट, पेस्ट, जेली, poultice, suppository and pessaries, dental products and what are cosmetic products. In case of sterile dosage form, we having a parenteral dosage form, sterility testing and ophthalmic products. In sterile dosage form, there is a main point. These are preparation which are in the form of a concentration and the method sterilization, a method which will be applied in all these medication. पेरेंटल डोसेज फॉर्म जो है इसके बीच में हम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ इंजेक्शंस को स्टडी करते हैं. जो इंजेक्शंस है दोज आर वेरी important formulation in that case. To approve we go for the sterility test. Sterility test nothing but a sterilization proof which will be shown. Then ophthalmic products. In ophthalmic what type of we use eye drops or some other formulation in the ophthalmic products. So in dispensing pharmacy, first we have a prescription. What is a prescription? Means एक जो प्रोसेस फार्म के रिगार्डिंग कोई भी रेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर जो एक पेशेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको एक डिस्पेंस या कंपाउंड करने के लिए आपके पास है. जो ये प्रिस्क्रिप्शन है ये this is an registered medical practitioner or a registered physician. प्रिस्क्रिप्शन जो है दिस इज एन रिटन ऑर्डर फ्रॉम रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर और एनी फिजिशियन, डेंटिस्ट, वेटरनियन और ए सर्जन or any person licensed by law to prescribe the drugs containing instruction for preparation and dispensing to the pharmacist along with the mode of administration for the patient. प्रिस्क्रिप्शन कोई भी रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर है, डेंटिस्ट है या सर्जन है, वो इंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ प्रिपरेशन और उसको कैसे डिस्पेंस करनी है वो फार्मासिस्ट को प्रोवाइड करता है। फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप जो है, फार्मासिस्ट में एक्सेप्ट ए प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, फार्मासिस्ट एक्सेप्ट ए प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ऑन टेलीफोन इन केस ऑफ emergency. Now the next point we having a, there are various parts of prescription. An ideal prescription having superscription, second inscription, third subscription, lastly signature of the prescriber. Superscription. In case of superscription, it consists of the name, qualification and address of the physician, date, name, age and address of the patient. In the superscription, the physician name, qualification, address is essential to identify the prescriber, particularly for a narcotic prescription. In that case, it also consists a symbol of Rx. A symbol of Rx means it is derived from a Latin term that means recipe. A recipe means it will be prescribed by a physician to the pharmacist. Second group, we having a inscription. Inscription is a body of the prescription contain official English name or amount of the each ingredient. Amount of each ingredient means जो भी कोई डॉक्टर आपको प्रिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, those are will be written in a proper way. In that cases, abbreviations are avoided. Abbreviations are avoided. In that, the first letter of the name of the drug, first letter of the name of the drug be in a capital letter. There is a ideal order. There is an ideal order to proceed. Those are involved basis, adjuvant, corrective or vehicle. In case of basis, it is the principal active drug and give the prescription its chief action. Adjuvant, it aids or increase the action of the base. Corrective, modifies or correct any undesirable effect of the basis of adjuvant. In that case, it may involve flavoring agent, coloring agent or a sweetening agent. Fourthly, we having a vehicle. Vehicle means it is an inert agent used to distribute the above ingredients. It may a solvent or increase the bulk or the both. In case of liquid, dilate to active drug. Dilate to the active drug, that is called diluent. So, in case of pills, in the pills there will be an adjuvant will be added which will be make consistency properly, that is called excipient. In case of ointment, the soft or greasy substance should be added in the active drug, that is called ointment base. The inscription also consists of doses of the drug in metric system. Another point we having subscription. In case of subscription, we have it consists direction to the pharmacist, that means mix, send, or tablet, or it may be a capsule. Those are in the prescription. The last point we having a signature. Signature derived from the Latin term, that means write, make, or label. In this part, it consists direction to the patient regarding use of medicine. These directions should simple, complete, and clear to the patient. It also contains signature of the physician with registration number and the physician's address or physician name should be must. In that case, another part is we have got refill information. The prescription is never to be repeated till the physician desire, particularly in case of dangerous drug or the narcotics. The prescriber should signature on the prescription. Without the signature of physician, the prescription is not be a complete. Another point we having after dispensing, these are called label contents. In case of the label content, in that the type of preparation means either it may be a mixture or a lotion or a ointment. Special direction, these are called auxiliary label, like shake well before use. This preparation is for external use, or what it may diluted or not diluted. The name of the patient should be full, direction to the patient, date of manufacturing or a place of the dispensing, and the quantity of the medicament. Lastly, the nature of the bottle used for local preparation. There are certain Latin terms which are used in the prescription. By these abbreviations, few examples we are mentioning along with the translation. The Latin term used in the prescription are like OD means omne die, once a day, once daily, Bisendai, two times in a day or twice a day, TID, thrice a day, or Tarendai. Like AC means anti-sebum, it should be taken before the food. then UD, uto decantum, that means as directed by the physician. There are certain modern methods of prescribing the prescription. That means prescription to the community or hospital prescription. So, in case of the community prescription, this is a modern method. So, the community prescription, the doctors or dentists who are approved by a government, maybe a state government or a central government or under the health scheme. Medicines or other applications or appliances in a special prescription. In private prescriptions, nowadays physicians prescribe the ready-made dosage form, which will be no need to be compounding by the pharmacist. In the private prescription also, veterinary prescriptions are increasing in a number in the recent type. Second, hospital prescriptions. The hospital prescription further divided into three types: patient prescription, outpatient prescription, or a prescription at the time of discharge of the patient. In patient prescription, in the most hospital, the physician writes the prescription on patient's record sheet. This may contain identifications, name of the drug, route of administration or dose, time of the administration, and the prescriber signature. In these prescriptions, the drugs taken only once a day or a once only for the drug to be taken prior to the surgery, that is called pre-medication drugs. In hospital pharmacist, it may receive a parental prescription for the administration of a intravenous administration. There are many prescriptions for total parenteral nutritional mixture. Total parental nutritional prescription means these prescriptions prepare of a 1 liter of the hospital basics, provided with addition of 10 ml of sodium chloride, 10 milligram equivalent to potassium chloride or magnesium sulfate, or the 10 unit of the insulin. So, in case of the outpatient prescription, the outpatient prescriptions, these are dispensing prescription in the form where identification of the patient, name, address, age, hospital registration number are mentioned. In that case, the medicine prescribed are sufficient to last till the next outpatient appointment. The third point, prescription for the patient at the time of discharge. In that case, the outpatient prescription or may be written on the patient chart depending upon the hospital facility. The quantity prescribed may be 1 or 2 week period. In this, there are few points we have to discuss for the hospital prescription during the time of discharge of the patient. These are called preventive prescription, pathological prescription, drug-induced prescription, etiology prescription, miasmatic prescription, constitutional prescription, and prescription on totally of symptom, prescription on the keynote system.